The cruiser world just got shaken up again. The 2025 BMW R18 is here, and it's more than just a refresh, it's a bold re-entry into the premium cruiser segment. Known for its nostalgic styling and raw power, the R18 has been redesigned for 2025 with a stunning new look, improved ergonomics, and next-level performance. In this video, Wheel World breaks down everything you need to know about the new BMW R18. Its design overhaul, engine performance, tech features, and why this might just be the ultimate cruiser of 2025. Design evolution, classic soul, modern form. The 2025 R18 keeps its heritage DNA intact, but this time, BMW has refined nearly every surface to give it a bolder, more modern edge. The signature streamlined teardrop tank, elongated silhouette, and exposed shaft drive still dominate the profile, but new curves and materials add a sense of elegance and aggression. The redesigned front fairing is more aerodynamic, while the new LED lighting system gives the bike a sharper, more futuristic face. BMW also introduces 3 new color schemes, including a two-tone heritage option and a stealthy matte black finish that accentuates the muscular stance. The bike sits lower than its predecessor, and the lines flow smoother from front to back, giving the R18 a more cohesive and purposeful look. It's a visual nod to both the past and the future, true cruiser spirit with a fresh identity. Engine and performance, boxer brilliance refined. At the heart of the 2025 R18 lies the iconic 1802cc air and oil-cooled boxer engine, lovingly nicknamed the Big Boxer. BMW has retained this massive powerhouse, but this year, it's been fine-tuned for smoother throttle response, reduced vibration, and better heat management. Power output remains impressive, with 91 horsepower at 4,750 revolutions per minute and a staggering 158 Nm of torque at just 3,000 revolutions per minute. That means instant grunt and effortless acceleration, whether you're cruising through city streets or eating up miles on the highway. The bike now features revised gearing, giving it a slightly sportier feel in the mid-range. BMW has also made subtle changes to the intake and exhaust systems, which not only improve performance but also produce an even deeper, throatier exhaust note, a sound that announces your arrival long before you're seen. Handling and ride quality, comfort meets confidence. One of the most noticeable improvements in the 2025 R18 is its handling. BMW has revised the frame geometry and added an upgraded dynamic ESA, electronic suspension adjustment system. This allows riders to adjust damping in real time for a smoother, more adaptive ride. Whether you're cruising solo or with a passenger, the R18 now feels more planted and composed in corners. The improved weight distribution and refined suspension make it easier to maneuver, especially at low speeds, a welcome change for a bike of this size. New foot peg positions and a slightly raised handlebar also enhance rider comfort, reducing fatigue during long-distance rides. BMW clearly listened to rider feedback, and it shows in every twist and turn. Tech and features, smart meets retro. BMW has struck a near-perfect balance between analog charm and digital precision in the 2025 R18. The bike features a new TFT display integrated into the retro-style instrument cluster. It's crisp, readable, and customizable, showing everything from navigation to ride mode settings. Speaking of ride modes, the R18 now offers rain, roll, rock, and a new dynamic mode, each tailored to different riding conditions. The bike also features cruise control, cornering ABS, traction control, hill start assist, and even reverse assist, a lifesaver for moving this 345-kilogram beast in tight spaces. BMW's connected ride system is also fully integrated, allowing smartphone pairing, music control, and over-the-air updates. This level of tech on a heritage cruiser makes the R18 a standout in its class. Customization, built for personal expression. As always, the R18 is a blank canvas for riders who love to personalize. BMW offers a wide range of factory accessories and custom parts, from ape-hanger handlebars and bobber seats, to vintage-style saddlebags and custom wheels. The 2025 model also introduces the R18 Heritage Custom Program, which allows buyers to choose custom paint, stitching, and trim directly from the factory. It's BMW's way of saying, no two R18s have to be alike. Whether you want a long-distance touring cruiser or a stripped-down urban brawler, the new R18 can be built to match your style perfectly. Fuel efficiency and range, big power, respectable economy. With all that muscle under the tank, you might expect poor fuel economy. But BMW has optimized the engine mapping and intake system for better efficiency. The 2025 R18 offers an average of 17 to 18 km/h, about 40 to 42 mpg depending on riding conditions. With a 16-liter fuel tank, that gives you a comfortable range of over 250 kilometers on a full tank, more than enough for weekend escapes or a few days of commuting. Pricing and variants, premium, but worth it. The 2025 BMW R18 starts at a base price of around $15,995 USD, but depending on the trim and packages, it can reach over $22,000 USD. BMW offers three main variants. R18 Classic, with touring accessories and windscreen. R18 Roctane, for aggressive cruiser styling. R18 Transcontinental, the full-dress touring version. Each model offers something unique, from stripped-down style to full touring comfort. With the level of craftsmanship and engineering involved, the R18 delivers solid value for its class. Final thoughts: the cruiser is back with a vengeance. The 2025 BMW R18 is more than just a facelift, it's a refined, reimagined machine that blends old-school charm with modern muscle. From its striking design to its thunderous performance and smart features, it reclaims its spot in the cruiser world with confidence. BMW has taken everything great about the original R18 and elevated it for today's rider. Whether you're a fan of retro aesthetics, long-distance touring, or just pure road presence, this bike demands a place in your garage. Subscribe to Wheel World. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a beat in the motorcycle world. This is Wheel World, where 2 wheels are always better than 4. Ride safe, ride smart, and we'll see you in the next one. Let me know if you'd like a version with timestamps, subtitles, or adapted for a short-form format like YouTube Shorts or Reels.